Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to use split screen on this device. So split screen feature allows you to use two different apps at the same time because the screen is divided into two halves and your device is showing you the first app at the top and the second at the bottom. So let me show you how to do it. Let's first of all open the apps which we'd like to use. So for example, I will use calculator and then I'd like to use maybe notes. So just tap on it. Now we have to open the recents, so tap on this square icon right here, or if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here. So here we've got our opened apps, and all we have to do in order to open them in the split screen, we have to tap on them and hold them. And here right in the middle we've got this split screen icon, so let's simply tap on it. As you can see, the calculator will immediately appear at the top. So now we have to choose another app for which we would like to use with split screen. So let me choose notes, and as you can see, our device will right now immediately display both of those apps, and now you can use both of them. So you can still freely use calculator, and here you can use the notes. For example, it would be extremely useful if you'd like to, I don't know, watch a video and at the same time write an email or something like that. And if you wish to for example, turn on, apply the app on the full screen, simply drag it down or drag it up. It's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.